new series. Hey y'all, it's girl Bailey. I'm back once again with another new series. Today's series is Ruined Slime, episode 1. So basically I will show you how to fix ruined slime. So let's jump right into it. Episode 1. Non-stretchy poking slime. Let's jump into it. So I will need to show you how to fix non-stretchy, non-poking slime. So here it is. And usually most of it is always fluffy slime that you put too much borax in. That was nothing. So I'll be showing you how to fix that. Let's slime into it. What you will need for this is a bowl, a mixing utensil, water. This is only step 1. Let's get into it. So first you're going to take your... Why is my bowl wet? Okay. So first you're going to take your bowl. You're going to fill it up with water. That is half the slime. Half of your slime. I feel like this is enough. I don't know. Okay. Just... Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna just kind of... Okay, yeah. Use your mixing utensil first and let your slime absorb it. This is actually really fun to watch. I feel like I'm in a cooking show just... Okay. Now you're going to pour some out. Keep on mixing. Now you're going to pick your slime up. And you are just... Of course, it's not going to stretch. Okay. That was only step 1. So let's get on to... And just leave it on the container. Let's get into step 2 ingredients. Step 2 ingredients is a plate or a surface to put your slime on, a refrigerator, glue. That's it. Let's get into step 2. So first, you're going to take your surface, and you're going to put your water, toxic slime on it, and you're going to, if some fell off, just try to connect it as much as you can. Then you're going to take your glue and just put... If your slime is like the size of mine, put 2 drops. 1 drop. 2 drops. Okay. And just mix it together. Okay. Oh, you also need water for this too. Okay, so you're going to put a little water on your plate. Okay. You're going to let your slime absorb that. While your slime is busy absorbing that, put your slime in the fridge for 10 minutes. I can't take my camera with me. No, yes I can. My camera was charging. So here's my fridge. We're just going to put this in here for 10 minutes or 5. It really don't matter, just 10 minutes or 5. So, see you in 5 minutes. And just to show you guys that it's been 5 minutes, it is 12:30. So I'll see you at 12:35. Okay, you guys, so it has now been 12 minutes and 35 seconds. So let's go get this line. And just so you guys know, I'm not lying. It is still in here. Like, water and everything. Yeah. So, just for those who hate all the time, I'm not lying. Okay, guys. Anyways, let me move that aside. Bring in the slime. my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the paper, wet paper. And now you're going to set it on its top and leave it to dry for a total of 3 minutes. See you in 3 minutes. So for those who think I'm always lying, here's the time, 12:35. I will see you at 12:38. Ooh, so I left it in there for 4 minutes to dry because it, again, 12:39. That has been 4 minutes to dry. So let's go check on it. So here it is. Ooh, it's kind of dry. And it has become a lighter color since the beginning of the video. Let's try to stretch it. Oh, so it is stretched a farther way. Let's try this piece. Seems to be stretching really well. Oh my gosh, okay. So now we're gonna put it. Gotta get it off the paper plate because the paper plates might make a noise. Let's go. 3, 2. It makes noise. Okay. It's like still kind of wet, so that's why it's not fully making noise. I got 3 pieces of slime. This is like hold on, this is kind of so I fixed the slime, and if you guys do not believe me, go back to the beginning of the video, see what color it was, see how it wasn't making noise. Oh my gosh, this is the stretching consistency is okay, I guess. Oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. You guys know what you gotta do. See you tomorrow for the next ruin slime.